In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Pika Labs, which is breathtakingly beautiful and mesmerizingly captivating. As you can see on your screen, I'm at the moment at Pika Labs website. Let me first show you few of the demos. Now, in the demos, as you can see, all you need to do is to provide it a text prompt and it will generate a video out of it. On the screen, in this demo, you can see that on the right hand side, this is an example of sci-fi, where the prompt is that a cyborg is standing on top of a skyscraper, overseeing the city back view cyberpunk vibe. And on the left hand side, it has generated this video. In the next example, you can see the prompt is that on this base image, just put on some mountains and the sun in the distance, and then behind it, rivers and bays in front. And it has produced a perfectly exact, accurate rendition of this text prompt with all the details. There are a lot of other tools which can do it, but the beauty of Pika Labs is attention to detail. Look at the cinematography and also, again, the attention to detail of every component of this image on the basis of that text prompt. Similarly, there is this example of artistic style where we have just given it a starry night, stunning scenery, and looks like something right out of um, Picasso's or any other legendary artist from back in the time. Now, let me also show you one of the example which Pika Labs shared on their Twitter account. And in this Twitter account, you can see that the input image was simply an image of girl, and then we just asked it a girl in the wind, and look at the wind effect. This is simply out of this world. I have applied for the beta version just by joining beta on their website, and I will also drop the link to it in video description. You can also apply, and as soon as I receive some of their um, login and credentials, I will make another video and I will share it with you. Very excited about Pika Labs and hats off to its creator. I think this is going to change the way we generate content, especially in the video format. I hope that you liked it, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.